Namaste, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Myself Rakshit Podar, President of Garment Exporters Association of Rajasthan. हमारे यहाँ पे ब्लॉक प्रिंट्स हैं, काता है, हैंड वर्क है, अड्डा वर्क है। इन सबको जब हम कंबाइन करके एक गारमेंट बनाते हैं तो वो एक यूनिक गारमेंट बनता है। That is the uniqueness of Jaipur. That is what we are renowned for. At the moment we are exporting around 8,000 crores ready-made garments from Jaipur, Rajasthan, employing around over 1 million workers, which includes 40% of women workers with us.
GAIR, it's Garment Exporters Association of Rajasthan. So I've got very vivid memories of GAIR foundation being laid when I was a child. Because one generation above me was a generation who laid the brickwork for GAIR. Now, this is the association that empowers the textile exports from the state, as the name suggests. And over the period of time, it has evolved into an association which is now recognized all over the country and maybe beyond, helping exporters for garments and textiles evolve and get better policies, get better business matchmaking, get better facilities, get better interaction with the government. So it's a facilitating association which is helping its members grow a lot.
We as an exporter, we have not only been exporting garments from Rajasthan, we have also been exporting the spirits, the culture and the craftsmanship of Rajasthan. Rajasthan के अंदर काफ़ी फैक्ट्रीज के अंदर सोलर प्लांट लगे हुए हैं।
आप जितने भी ब्रांड्स को जानते हैं दुनिया के अंदर, चाहे ज़ारा हो, मैंगो हो, बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स का माल जयपुर में बनता है।
Rajasthan is always very famous for its colorful printing, dyeing technique and stitching skill, embroideries. I mean, especially as far region as Jaisalmer, Badmer, they do such beautiful embroideries.
तो जितने भी कंपनियां सप्लाई जो अभी जयपुर में है, मोस्टली दे आर अडॉप्टिंग सस्टेनेबल प्रैक्टिसेस। उसकी वजह से काफ़ी हेल्प मिल रही है।
Right now, if we talk about Rajasthan, we are doing everything at a global level and at a scale. When you do anything, so it has to be in a big volume. So yes, Jaipur was earlier known for block prints, Sanganeri prints, but now we are having state-of-the-art digital printing machines from Konica Minolta, from Reggiani, all big brands we are using here in Jaipur, and we are printing with Japanese inks, with high quality, on high quality fabrics with high quality printing. So that is done. Earlier we used to do a lot of hand embroidered stuff also, but now with the quality requirements rising and the big volume of orders coming to Rajasthan, so we are using all international premium like Japanese and Korean embroidery machines to give high quality embroidery to our product, which gives a high quality at an affordable price.
It's a great pride that we are working for a garment exporter community, helping many people to create more jobs, opportunity for them to work. Garment is an industry wherein it engages maximum of manpower. It gives a lot of employment to the people. Over the period of time, Jaipur is not only about making kurtis. There are international brands who are coming to Jaipur. Jaipur has become a very good destination for garment sourcing. There are factories which are having state-of-art facilities wherein, you know, the brands who are coming here, then they can have all the requirements which they need. There are factories which are social compliant factories here working towards the sustainability projects. So I believe that Jaipur has now become a destination wherein all the international brands who look forward for having a good quality product.
I am Dr. Dinesh Gupta, and I also popularly known as Begum of India, which title given to me by PM Narendra Modi ji and Forbes magazine. And today we are the largest manufacturer of these promotional bags in India, and we are making more than 10 million bags in a year. And till now we have made more than 200 millions, like 20 करोड़ से ज़्यादा बैग हम बना चुके हैं, तो कि एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है। और हम ये मानते हैं कि 20 करोड़ बैग बनाने का मतलब है हमने अरबों खरबों ट्रिलियंस ऑफ प्लास्टिक बैग्स प्लेनेट से कम किए हैं, जो कि दिस इज a significant contribution for the environment saving.
People used to treat India as a tourism country. So we used to inform them it's more than tourism. We are a manufacturing country. We have a lot of things to offer. We have artisans, we have block printings, we have tie and dyes. We have all different facilities.
The next 5 years, at the moment, we will be approximately 3 times of what we are right now. So if our exports is around 8,000 crores right now, we see to grow up to 24,000 crores. We see ourselves grow in each in different ways, like modernization, green factories, sustainable factories, more developed factories. So I mean, yes, we see a lot of modernization, a lot of development in garment industry in Jaipur region in next 5 years. We are blessed to have Gare in Rajasthan.